Consistency is one of the most important things in building an audience online. That means you want to publish your article or video at least once a week. However, being consistent is difficult because sometimes you lack motivation and you feel uninspired. Also because you think your work is not good enough to publish. There's something Seth Godin said that resonated with me a lot. Imagine your sink is broken, you hire a plumber to fix it, and halfway through he stops and says, "Hey, I don't really feel like doing this today. I think I'm not inspired to fix your broken sink." "Sorry dude." And he's fired. A plumber has a job to do, so does an electrician, and so do you. It doesn't matter whether you're a blogger, a podcaster, or YouTuber, you have a job to do. If you're serious about blogging and YouTube, you need to think it as your job. It doesn't matter if you're feeling unmotivated or uninspired, you just have to do your job. The second reason why being consistent is hard is that you think your content is not good enough. You think your articles or your videos suck, therefore not publishing it. I had this problem as well. I always thought, my videos are just awful, who's going to even watch this crap? But then I realized it's almost impossible to make every video and article perfect. And if I care about perfecting every content, I'm not going to get anything published. Again, Seth Godin said something along the lines of, "We are all capable of making poor quality content, and if you make bad content enough, sooner or later you will get better at it. But you will not get better if you don't publish your work because you think your content is not good enough. So the best way to get better at writing and making videos is just to publish your content, no matter how terrible you think it is. And if you keep doing it consistently, eventually you will get better at what you do." Also, before we go, I wanted to say that even if you think your content is crap, some people still might find it interesting. For example, I thought my last video about finding niche was absolute garbage. I wasn't happy with the quality of the video and I hated it, but I decided to publish it anyways. Then I got many comments from people saying it was helpful, so you never know what would happen unless you publish it. Alright, thanks for watching. These are the sort of mindset that helped me become more consistent in my creative work, and I hope you find it helpful as well. If you have any question, feel free to send me a message on Twitter or Instagram. Thank you so much for watching, bye!